Hi, this is Miss Townsend. Let's do this grade 10 math question together. It says solve the system of equations given below. So equation number 1 says y equals negative 1/3 x plus 8. That's in slope-intercept form. And equation number 2 says 4x minus 3y plus 4 equals 0. That's in standard form. So the way I like to approach a question set up like this is I'm going to do substitution. Because one of the equations tells me explicitly what y is equal to, so y is equal to negative 1/3 x plus 8. And that means that I can write negative 1/3 x plus 8 instead of writing y. So I'm just going to do a substitution. So I'm really going to sub equation 1 into equation 2, meaning that I'm replacing the letter y with what I know y is equal to. So equation number 2 becomes 4x minus 3y plus 4 equals 0. And of course, I didn't write y. I put a nice big bracket so I can substitute into that bracket what y is equal to, which is negative 1/3 x plus 8. That leaves me with one equation with just one unknown variable x. And now I just have to do the algebra to solve. So this bracket, inside, nothing to do, but I do want to multiply by negative 3 into that bracket. So nothing else is going to change for the moment. That's still 4x. But I'm going to do negative 3 times negative 1/3 x. So negative times a negative is positive. 3 times a third is 1, and 1x. Then I'm going to do negative 3 times 8. That's negative 24. So the bracket's gone. This is what remains because I multiplied by negative 3 into the bracket to get rid of the bracket. And of course the 4x and the plus 4 equals 0 haven't changed, but now they're going to change. I'm going to collect like terms. 4x plus x is 5x. Here, collect like terms. Negative 24 plus 4 is negative 20 equals 0. And now I'm just into grade 9 territory. Solve for x. Add 20 to both sides. 5x equals 20. Divide by 5. I get x equals 4. And of course, once I know what x is equal to, I can go back to one of my original equations and solve for y. So I definitely think it's easier to take equation 1 here, because y is equal to negative 1/3 x plus 8. And now I know what x is. X is equal to 4, so I'm going to put that into the equation. And then I just want to calculate what is y equal to. So negative 1 times 4 over 3 times 1. So I need to get a common denominator here. So that would be 8 times 3 is 24. So I end up with y is equal to negative 4 plus 24 is 20 over 3. So my solution to this system is the point 4, 20 over 3. And of course, if you wanted to, you could check the answer by using equation number 2. So if I had decided to take equation 2 and sub my x value there, so we discovered that x was equal to 4. So if I sub 4 here, I should get the same y value. Let's see what happens. 4 times 4 is 16. And then I'm going to collect like terms. I have 16 plus 4. So I'm going to have 20 minus 3y equals 0. Then I'm going to subtract 20 from both sides. So negative 3y equals negative 20. Divide both sides by negative 3. And I get y equals 20 over 3, which we already knew. Thanks for watching. Keep doing math.